Hi there. Do you have the goal of helping other businesses train and develop their employees? If so, then look no further. Today, we're going to take a look at how to start an online school business. Pretty cool, right? To begin, you need content. Whether you already have curated content or are planning to create content from scratch, you'll need to transform it into e-learning courses. iSpring Suite is a great way to do this. It can help you create multimedia-rich courses with video, quizzes, and interactions. Once your content is ready to go, the first thing you'll need to do is to create an account in Flora LMS. Then you can get started creating your storefront. You'll need to begin by enabling e-commerce. This will give you more options like payment method. You can also choose your currency down here. Now don't forget to select Save before you move on to the next step of setting up your storefront. Check it out. When you select Save, a new tab appears, the Marketplace tab. Let's take a look. Here, under Structure, you'll see a list of all the courses you've uploaded to the Marketplace. Don't worry, I'll go over how to upload your courses soon. You can also create categories to organize your content, create coupons and discounts for any of your courses, as well as manage your Marketplace settings and choose a feature course. Next, we're going to look at making your storefront fit with your brand and style. Head back over to Settings and select Branding. Here, you can choose a color scheme or totally customize it to your brand. You can also upload your account logo and a favicon. Okay, now that your marketplace looks its best, let's upload some content. Let's try uploading a course. You can select the file you want to upload here. And of course, you can also change the title, add tags, and add a description. Then you can go right ahead and select that upload button to get the ball rolling. Once your course is uploaded, you can choose Manage Content to jump right to the course. Here, you can add further details about your course like author and instructor, and if you scroll on down to the bottom of the page, you'll see the link to your course. The final step in uploading your content is to create learning paths. You can use learning paths to combine videos, different courses or course content into one unified course. Go ahead and select that New Learning Path button. Now name it and create it. From here, if you head to Outline, you can add Chapter. Then Content to add previously uploaded videos, courses, and course content. At this point, you are all set up. That means it's time to start selling your course. To do this, head to e-commerce and go ahead and check the Add this content item to the Marketplace box. Now you can add the course to a specific category and decide whether you want to charge learners for it or not. And of course, set your price. And just like that, your course has hit the market. Let's see what this looks like for your users. Here, your users can view all of the courses you have available. They can select a course to get more details. And of course, if they like the look of it, they can purchase it from here. When they're ready to check out, all they have to do is select the cart icon at the top and complete the checkout process. To promote your course, you can use this direct link to your course. You can share this link directly with customers in social networks like Facebook and Instagram, or by email. Of course, this is a huge milestone, but work doesn't end there. You'll want to monitor user and e-commerce statistics. Let's quickly check out reports. From here, you get a wide range of reports from quiz, simulation, and assignment reports to content and e-commerce reports, and more. Let's take a look at one of them. With a few simple steps, you've now set up your online school business using Flora, and now you're ready to provide some great courses to your learners and make some money doing it.